IT is a very general term, almost as general as business. When you read in the newspaper about IT, you often read about computer hardware and computer networks, but that's not what we do at RMIT. The kind of IT we do at RMIT is software development and web applications specifically. What separates our IT program from other programs is that it's more than just programming. Our students also learn that before you start programming, you're going to design the software. So you have to think about what is the data that we are dealing with and what are the functions that we have to implement in our program. So students can come up with a piece of software that is designed for users. They design the components and then the actual programming starts later.
I love IT because IT changing very much and each and every day very often, so we have to keep up with technology and we can keep up with new things.
In the IT program you can specialize in two areas. The most common area is application programming. The students that study application programming would specialize in software development and project management. We also offer multimedia design. Students that take this stream would study a number of design courses.
The lecturer in RMIT are experienced in industry and they work for a long time in industry, so they know a lot about industry, how to work, how to apply the academic and knowledge into industry.
A good example of a web application is the student timetabling system, which was implemented by a group of students a few years ago. And this system is used at RMIT for students to create their own timetable. I think this is a good example because students had to go through the whole process to develop it. So they had to gather requirements and see what the functions of the system are supposed to be. And they had to design the architecture of the system and then implement it.
The IT program focuses on programming and web system, and we learn a lot from web to software development and also a little bit about computer science and information technology.
The career prospects for IT graduates are very good. We actually track what students are doing after they graduate, and more than 90% of them have jobs within a few months after graduation. But you also see that a lot of students in semester 5 and semester 6 already have jobs when they still study.
I'm working for a company called RMIT for about 2 months. After I come back from RMIT Melbourne in an exchange program, and I work as a developer in the research and development of artificial intelligence there.
I am RMIT Vietnam software engineering alumnus. Based on my experience with the employers, the impression of RMIT Vietnam IT graduate is that the employer were impressed of RMIT Vietnam graduate soft skills like communication skills, leadership skills, and teamwork. Those are the things that we have been training ourselves while doing the program in RMIT Vietnam.